Hello, I'm Ruth Todd. Welcome to Word Power. Are you ready to learn new words in English? Let's begin. Today, we are learning words that begin with the letter Q. Q is the 17th letter of the alphabet. Q is a consonant. Q. Quake, quake. You say it. Repeat. That's right, quake. Quake means to shake and to tremble with fear. I quaked with fear when the dog began to bark. Qualify, qualify. You say it. Repeat. Qualify. That's right. Qualify means to reach a level or standard that allows you to do something. The team qualified for the finals when they won the match. Qualify. Quality. Quality. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Quality means grade or degree of fineness. The car is of very high quality. Quality. Quantity. Quantity. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Quantity means an amount or a number. There is a large quantity of shells on the beach. Quantity. Quarrel. Quarrel. You say it. Repeat. That's right, quarrel. Quarrel means to argue or to disagree. The children quarreled over the toy. Quarrel. Quart. Quart. You say it. Repeat. That's right, quart. A quart is a unit of liquid measure equal to 2 pints or 32 ounces. She bought a quart of milk from the market. Quart. Quarter. Quarter. You say it. Repeat. Well done. Quarter has 4 different meanings. Quarter means 1 of 4 equal parts. He ate a quarter of the sandwich. Quarter also means a coin that's used in the United States and Canada. It's equal to 25 cents or 1/4 of a dollar. The quarter is on the table. Quarantine. 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 Now you say it. Quarantine. Again, quarantine. One more time. Quarantine. Good job. Quarantine means a time period or place of isolation in which people or animals are kept after arriving from another country if they have been exposed to infectious or contagious diseases. The Border Patrol will quarantine all of the cows that enter the country until they are checked for disease. Say it again. Quarantine. Correct. Quote. 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 Now you say it. Quote. Again. Quote. Once more. Quote. That's right. Quote means to repeat or copy a group of words from a text or speech while indicating that they are not one's original words. When one quotes, attribution is given to the actual author of the words. The senator likes to quote the president in his speeches. The most famous quote from Shakespeare's play Hamlet is, "To be or not to be? That is the question." Say it again. Quote. That's right. Well done. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.